basil. The smell, it's amazing. I don't know if you like fresh basil, but smells of good nature. Go back and read comments. Sorry, what did you say? My hands are a little bit wet. Sorry. Right, so now we have everything for my garnishment. Fresh basil, mayo. It's better if you do your mayo. I don't know one person who doesn't love the smell of basil. Exactly. This is for me, it's really, really I always have basil and rosemary if I can, in my garden. It's a Mediterranean plant, our Mediterranean plant, and they are delicious for food and for health, for everything. So, now, the garnishment. If you see it. Not easy, I hope you can see this without falling down. Can you see, or it's overexposed maybe? Well, basically we just put a little bit right? Like a painting, you just put your little bit of mayo on it. Then you break the basil in little pieces. It's very, very good. The smell of nature, of Mediterranean plants, smell of my past. You use mayonnaise light. That's a good one. I usually do my mayo, but you know, today too many things. You are making me angry. It's a shame I can share with you the smell of this one, guys. It's a shame. Right? And the pickle. Let's prepare the pickle. As I told you, if you don't like the pickle, you can avoid. You know, not everybody loves the pickles. Some people love it, some others not. Little pickle there, little pickle here, another small pickle here, another one here, another one here, another one here, here. I'm very happy. I have my uova pasqualine tomorrow. I've lost the comment, sorry, but I'm very focused on my dish, and I'm thinking about tomorrow when I'm gonna eat this. Big moment. Another one. You know, you can also put, if you like, raw carrots, for example. right, right, almost there. You know, it's like your dish. I'm liking a larger chunk of pickle that makes consistency nice. You know, I so love the pickles. I don't know why. Our purpose is not to eat them. I know. I know. I think I will try one, you know. Okay, and now the little bit of basil. Just to the other side, like that. Hop. And hop. And here. And here. And this is so delicious. This is, I can do it. Yeah. I'm going to make them now as well. Yeah, if you need, as I said, I will share on Twitter. It's a little bit. I wish I feel a little bit too tall. I will share the recipe on Twitter. So if you want to know better the recipe, follow Ros Caneva on Twitter. But have you seen, you know, all the process on here? Yeah, I will do it for sure. Right, we almost have done. Not really, not walk yet, until the 4th of May. So the quarantine is mandatory in Lombardy, in the north, until the 4th of May. So, let me wash my hands again. We are almost done, but if you want, you can add also a little part of this cherry tomatoes, just if you like. Long time, it's the same in Vancouver. I know, guys, but we were in a very bad situation, as you know. You'll give the recipe a try and tell me what do you think. So now it's like that. Our recipe, our pasqualine eggs, right? It is very good. I'm so happy to have done this, and I'm not sure they will arrive tomorrow. I'm not sure, guys. If you want, you can add also this little part of tomato, cherry tomato, so we can have a little bit of red on this beautiful green, yellow, white. You see, you can cut and add a little red on it. Or you don't. You instead of the pickles, you can put anchovies. It depends from what you like, your taste. You can change some ingredients. I just give you the right amount of grams of the ingredients. The presentation is very important. It's not bad. You know, it's handmade. It's real. It's like real food. I followed you. Thank you. Follow me on Twitter, and I will give you also the ingredients, the grams. I think what I like, I've been in a lot of Michelin star restaurants, but what I really like is the real food, the real taste. You know, you see it's done from hands, but it's also nice. It's nice not in a fake way. It's nice because it's done from the heart. So that's the situation. Here, my... Woo! Oh my God, they are going down. My egg pasqualine, guys, with love for you. Happy Easter. Happy Easter, everybody. Tomorrow morning, I will try to share the lasagna with ragu live. I will cook in the morning, and I will try to share. And on Twitter, I will give you all the grains of the ingredients. So follow me on Twitter. I'm going to show my work to my friends. They are on in a meeting right now. Happy Easter, guys! Happy Easter from Milano. I love you all. Watch.
Ma non lo so, questo non lo so, si conoscono.
Guarda, Renatone.
Cos'è? Oh, ragazzi.
Le uova pasqualine. Attenzione!
Brava Rossella, oh, è incredibile, ma vero. Qua. Uova pasqualine, aspetta.
Aiuto.
Oh.
Thank you, guys. So, see you tomorrow. Happy Easter.
No, la cosa che mi fa arrabbiare.
Happy Easter. Ciao from Milano, Italy. Happy Easter. Bye. Ciao.